welcome back with Miss Dani. Okay, today we are going to have an experiment in science. It takes about solid to be gas and liquid to be gas. We mix it and make it from baking soda, vinegar, bottle, spoon, and balloon. Alright. First, we are pour the baking soda inside the balloons. We need a paper or something that can help for the baking soda. Do like this. Okay. It's already like this. Then we are ready for the baking soda. We pour 2 tablespoons of baking soda inside the balloon. It's done. We put it on the table again. We have to pour the vinegar into the bottle. You can find the vinegar easily in the cake shop. Pour it in the bottle carefully. Done. We'll take it off the paper.